Hello and welcome to this English learning video. Today we have a special story for you called Family Eating Food. This story will help you practice listening to English, learn new words, and understand how people talk in daily life. You'll hear real conversations, descriptions of food, and how a family shares time together at home. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the story. Let's begin. It's Saturday morning, the sun is bright, and the birds are singing outside. Inside the kitchen, the Ahmed family is starting their day. Mom, good morning, everyone. Time to get up. Sarah, it smells like eggs. Omar, I hear the kettle boiling. Dad, let's all have breakfast together. On the table, fried eggs, warm toast, honey cheese, and a bowl of fresh fruit. Mom, who wants orange juice? Sarah and Omar. Me. The family laughs, talks, and eats together. Vocabulary tips. Kettle, sure, a pot for boiling water. Toast or bread that is cooked until brown fresh, not old or frozen. After breakfast, the family begins planning lunch. Mom, let's make something healthy. Dad, how about grilled chicken and salad? Omar, I want fries. Sarah, we can bake potatoes instead. Mom, okay, Omar, you can wash the vegetables. Sarah, help me slice the tomatoes. In the kitchen, everyone helps. Sarah, I like cutting carrots. Omar, these cucumbers are so slippery. Vocabulary tips. Grilled equals cooked over fire or heat. Slice equals cut into thin pieces. Slippery equals easy to drop. Before making lunch, they realize something is missing. Mom, we don't have any bread or milk. Dad, let's go to the grocery store. At the supermarket, Omar, can we buy snacks? Dad, only if we finish everything on the list. Sarah, I found the apples. Mom, great. Now let's get some yogurt and eggs. They pay, pack the bags, and go home. Vocabulary tips. Grocery, means food bought from a store list. Put your written reminder of what to buy. Pack, to put things in a bag or box. Back home, the kitchen smells delicious. Dad, Omar, please bring the spices. Omar, which ones? Mom, salt, pepper, and cumin. Sarah, I'll stir the soup. Dad, let's put the chicken in the oven. The family talks while cooking. They share jokes and listen to music. Vocabulary tips, spices, things that give food flavor, stir, move in circles with a spoon oven, a hot box for baking or roasting. It's almost lunchtime. The food is cooking and it smells great. Sarah, I'll set the table. She takes out the plates, cups, and forks. Omar, can I fold the napkins? Mom, of course. Fold them like triangles. Dad, don't forget the water jug. They add salad bowls and bread to the table. Everything looks neat and ready. Vocabulary tips. Set the table. Prepare it for eating. Napkin, orange cloth, or paper for wiping your mouth. Jug, hackers, container for liquids. Everyone sits down. Dad, let's eat. Mom, enjoy your meal. They eat grilled chicken, salad, rice, and fresh juice. Omar, the chicken is tasty. Sarah, I love the salad. It's crunchy. They talk and laugh as they eat. Dad, what was your favorite part of the morning? Omar, the grocery store. Sarah, helping with the soup. Vocabulary tips. Tasty, chitty, delicious, crunchy, key, makes a sound when you bite favorite. What you like most after lunch, the kitchen is full of plates and crumbs. Mom, okay, time to clean up. Dad, Omar, you rinse. Sarah, you dry. Sarah, I like drying the spoons. Omar, and I like playing with bubbles. Mom, let's wipe the table and sweep the floor. In a few minutes, everything is clean and shiny. Vocabulary tips, rinse, wipe, wash with water, dry, remove water, wipe, clean with a cloth, sweep, clean the floor with a broom. Now it's time for something sweet. Dad, who wants to make a cake? Omar and Sarah. Me. Mom, let's use flour, eggs, sugar, and butter. Sarah, I'll crack the eggs. Omar, and I'll mix everything. They pour the batter into a pan and put it in the oven. Dad, now we wait. Vocabulary tips. Dessert, shun sweet food after a meal. Batter, shun a thick mix before baking. Pan, metal dish for baking. Mom, let's eat dinner by candlelight. The family turns off the lights and lights two small candles. Sarah, it looks so peaceful. Omar, I feel like we're at a restaurant. They eat soup and bread and enjoy the quiet moment. Dad, this has been a perfect day. Vocabulary tips. Candlelight. Kutana, light from candles. Peaceful. A calm and quiet restaurant. A place to eat outside home after dinner. The children put on their pajamas. Mom, time for a bedtime story? Sarah, can we read about animals? Omar, I want the jungle story. They sit on the couch, listen, and yawn. Dad, good night, my sweet children. Sarah and Omar, good night, Mom and Dad. The house is quiet. Everyone sleeps. Vocabulary tips. Pajamas equals clothes for sleeping. Yawn equals open mouth when tired. Couch equals soft seat for many people. And that brings us to the end of our story today. You've just followed the Ahmed family through a full day. From breakfast in the morning, grocery shopping, preparing lunch together, cooking, eating, and even making a sweet dessert before ending the day with story time. This was not just a story, it was a chance for you to learn how people use real English at home, the kind of English people use every day. You've learned words about food, cooking, shopping, cleaning, and spending time with family. Did you notice how they use polite words? How they ask for help, shared responsibilities, and talk to each other kindly? These are all useful English expressions you can use when speaking with your friends, family, or even when traveling abroad. Here's what you can do next to improve your English even more. Watch this video again and pause after each part. Repeat the sentences out loud. Write down new words you heard today. Make your own sentences using them. Act out a scene from this video with a friend or in front of a mirror. Subscribe to this channel and listen to more daily English conversations. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more stories like this just for you. And remember, practice every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you listen, speak, and use English, the faster you'll improve. Thank you for watching. See you next time in another fun and helpful English story. Goodbye.